The Hawaiian Airlines World Elite Mastercard is a solid option for anyone who regularly flies to or from Hawaii, especially with Hawaiian Airlines. New cardholders can earn a hefty 60,000 bonus Hawaiian miles after spending 2,000 in the first 90 days, which can jumpstart a trip pretty quickly. The card rewards you with 3 miles per dollar on Hawaiian Airlines purchases and double the miles on gas, dining, and groceries, which are practical categories for a lot of people. There are 2 free checked bags on flights purchased with the card and a one-time 50% off companion fare for round-trip travel between Hawaii and North America, plus a 100 companion discount each anniversary year, all of which can save real money for couples or families traveling together. The partnership with Alaska Airlines now means those miles go even further, opening up 140th destinations, and you don't have to worry about your miles expiring. There are no foreign transaction fees either, which is a relief for international travelers, and the card lets you share miles with others freely. However, the benefits are heavily focused on Hawaiian Airlines, so if you don't fly with them often, the perks shrink fast. The $99 annual fee, though waived the first year, can be tough to justify for occasional travelers. Everyday purchases not in the bonus categories only earn 1 mile per dollar, and the card lacks broader perks like airport lounge access or priority boarding. Customer service experiences are mixed, and the recent Alaska Airlines merger adds a layer of uncertainty about how the loyalty program will change. In short, the card is a strong pick for loyal Hawaiian Airlines flyers, but shoppers wanting more flexible rewards or broader travel perks should weigh these risks before committing.